What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal.me link. What a PayPal.me link is essentially a customized link that you could send to anyone when they're trying to pay you. And it's really nice because it's really short and you can customize it however you want. This is a much more simple and professional way to send money through PayPal. In order to do this, you're going to hit the money sign in the bottom toolbar. Should be in the middle icon. Then you're going to head over to request all the way to the right on the top toolbar. Then you're going to scroll down and see all those icons, and then you're going to hit the PayPal.me profile. Should be the first link there for you. You're going to go through these steps here. You might want to add a photo. It just adds a nice little customized element for you, and whoever's sending money, they know who it's sending to. And then from here, you're going to have the PayPal.me actual option. What this is going to do for you is you could add whatever you want to the end of this. So obviously my channel is how to do. So I'm going to make a link similar to that. Now, before you do this, I do have to warn you though, once you do this on this account, there is no changing it. So make sure that you have the PayPal.me link, that you have some text that you want and you don't want to change. I'm not sure if I want to make this PayPal account for how to do. I might just make it my name or something similar to that. So I'm not going to click the next button. But once you click the next button, it's set in stone. There's no going back on changing that. That's all there is to it though. If you had any questions or were confused by any part of this tutorial, be sure to drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe and also read the description because there's some very important information that you wouldn't want to miss.
Da 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 da